Updating your billing address on Wise is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wise website or open the Wise app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to your account to proceed with the update. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the Profile menu or under the Account dashboard. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings, look for an option labeled Personal Information or Billing Address. Click on this to access your current billing details. Step 4. Update your address. Enter your new billing address in the provided fields. Ensure that all information is accurate and complete to avoid any issues with future transactions. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your billing address has been successfully updated. Make sure to check your email for any notifications from Wise regarding the changes. Keeping your billing address current is essential for smooth transactions.